Hello, welcome to Botanical Woman. Today I want to share with you my Peperomia propagations that I did a few weeks ago and wanted to show you what I did and show you some progress. So what happened was I was growing these two peperomias. This is Peperomia polybotrya and this is Peperomia incana. And what was going on was they were just growing really tall and not really branching. So I wanted to experiment and see if I cut it, basically behead it, would they branch? And this is the result. It's been, I want to say, it hasn't really been that long. Maybe a month? Yeah, so let's just say it's been a month. And so I cut it here, and you can see that it is indeed starting to branch. And it's growing these cute little leaves. So it's looking really great. So I'm hoping, maybe down below you can see there are new nubs growing. So more branches will be sprouting out in the next few months. So it's super exciting. This one's super cute. I don't know if you guys know Peperomia incana, but it's very fuzzy. If you like fuzzy plants, this is definitely for you. And look at how small and dainty this new leaf is. It's looking great. I think there was something growing here and I knocked it off and I left it in the soil, see what would happen. But hopefully another new growth might come. Otherwise, I don't know, maybe the lower portions. Yeah, I did get this at Taylor Greenhouses. So those are, the mother plants. I'll put those aside. I'm going to show you, I transferred them into leca, into semi-hydro. So this is the polybotrya, and look at that root system. It is doing really well. I'm pretty sure these leaves are going to fall off the bottom ones, but up top looks pretty good. I think I'm going to keep it in semi-hydro and see how they do, because historically I just have had issues keeping the moisture level even for peperomias. So I'm hoping that keeping them in semi-hydro will help with that. So loads of roots on this one. And they went in the same day at the same time. And what I did was at first I just filled it completely with water, and I haven't actually done anything since. I'm just like letting it slowly evaporate, and the water line is now down to here. So I'll just monitor and make sure the balls up top aren't like super dry. You can tell by the color of them. So before letting it get there, I usually will water it again and flush it out. I haven't added any nutrients, so maybe on the next one I will. So this is the incana, and as you can see, there are definitely some roots up there, but it's definitely not as vigorous. It's not growing as vigorously as the other one. So I would say, yeah, the incana is just takes a bit longer to get established. But so far, no, I mean, this leaf it's gonna go. It's not too happy, but otherwise, it looks healthy. And yeah, we'll come back in maybe another 6 to 8 weeks to see how they do. There's already new growth going, but I don't think this is actually going to look that great. I think new leaves that come during transition, or maybe this new leaf might have been there already, but yeah, it doesn't look great already. It's curling up, so we'll see. It had an inflorescent before I cut it. This was not. It's very tall. This did not come while I was. What am I trying to say? Yeah, this inflorescent was here before. It's very big and bendy, and probably dropping pollen everywhere. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. But yeah, I will see you guys with an update in about 6 to 8 weeks to see how these babies are doing. All right. Until next time, happy growing, guys.